Hi everybody and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can install and use my Lightroom and Photoshop presets, and we're going to start off with Lightroom. So I have just picked this raw photo that I'm going to use as an example of how the presets work. So you're just going to go onto, and you can pick any folder, you can create a new one, whatever, and then right click and click on import. So just go to where you have the presets saved, select both of them, and then click on import, and then in this case they will be found right here. So we have the light medium and then the medium dark, and then this is what the light medium looks like, and you can obviously adjust the temperature and the light or like the brightness of the photo. I'm not gonna do like a big edit, I'm just gonna show you basically the one-click edit so you can see what the photos look like. So this is the before and the after, as the colors of this preset or of both of the presets are really simple and elegant and they look super natural. And let's just copy this photo and then I'm gonna show you what the medium dark looks like. I'm gonna make this a little bit brighter so you can see the direct comparison. So as you can see, there are slight differences, but there's nothing too crazy. And yeah, as the name says, they are like optimized, I guess, for different skin tones. And yeah, this is basically how it works. You just right click, import, and then you can find them right under the folder you have them imported. And now we're gonna hop over to Photoshop. Alright, so the Photoshop preset installation is a tiny bit more complicated. You can see the path that I went to get to the Camera Raw settings folder. So you go to, this is on Mac, I'm gonna put in the Windows path as well. So library, application support, Adobe, Camera Raw, and then settings. And then here you're gonna copy in your folder of the two XMP files. The way that you can access the presets is just pick your raw files that you want to edit and then drag them into Photoshop. And then as you can see, I'm going to use two files right here, and you can find your presets under this preset tab. And then we have again the medium dark and the light medium. I'm going to use the light medium for this one, and then go back and adjust the temperature a little bit. And that looks perfect. The before, and this is the after, just with one-click preset and adjusting the temperature. Obviously, the presets are never gonna be a absolutely perfect one-click edit, but they just are a good base for natural edits with nice colors. So for this one, we're gonna use the medium dark preset, and again, adjust the temperature a little bit. Yeah, I think that looks really nice. So before and after, and then you can just select all of the photos that you want to open and click on open the images, and you have your edited or your color graded photos ready to start retouching. I hope you have a lot of fun working with those presets. If you have any questions, you can DM me on Instagram or email me or just comment below this video. And again, you can use these, well, this version in Lightroom or in Photoshop, and there's two different files. And yeah, the Photoshop presets work with Camera Raw, and I guess that's all you need to know. So as I said, I hope you have fun working with those presets, and don't forget to subscribe to not miss any of my future videos. Bye!